Windows Event Logs for power users. Event Viewer intimidates people because the default view shows thousands of entries, most of them meaningless. Used properly, it's the most informative tool on the system. Here's how to actually work with it. Start by creating custom views instead of browsing raw logs. Filter by level, choosing critical, error and warning by time range and by specific sources. Then save that view so you can return to it. That turns noise into a short, readable list. Learn the logs that matter. System for hardware and driver events, application for software crashes, and security for sign-in activity. Under Applications and Services logs, there are far more specialized ones covering individual components. 2 techniques worth knowing. Attach a task to an event, so Windows runs a script when something specific happens. And use PowerShell's getWhenEvent command to query logs programmatically, which searches across long time ranges quickly.